All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Chris Brown back again here with my slime. We have bar chords we're gonna work with, so therefore no need for any capo, 3 chords only. So yeah, let's go. We have first the F sharp minor. Okay, so place the bar here on the 2nd fret over all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. That's the F sharp minor. We have the C sharp minor, so you go up to this position, index finger now on the 4th fret, and you bar 5 strings there. You can skip the last E string there. So you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. That's the C sharp minor. And then you take almost the exact same grip and move it to this position here. Index finger now on the 2nd fret, same strings, 5 strings. And then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. And that's the B sus version of it. And that's what you need, okay? So it goes in that same chord progression through the entire song. Now let's take a look at the strumming. So if we go back now to the F sharp minor, you have a strumming pattern that goes down, clap, down, down, clap, down. Okay? So like this. So down, clap, down, down, clap, down. That is one round, and in a context, a couple of rounds, it goes. Okay, so very easy to put this together. We have F sharp for 2 rounds, C sharp minor 1 round, and B sus 1 round. And it doesn't have to be more difficult than that. Let's go for a couple of chord progressions. F sharp. Alright, so notice I'm playing the claps here, not on all strings. For this specific song, I choose to just hit the clap with my thumb here on the bass string. It's enough, because I want this strings to ring out here and sound to continue. Sometimes it doesn't hurt to hit all strings if you have a lot of actions with ups and downs and all that. But here we don't have that, so I want to sound to still be alive while I'm playing. So that's just the technical stuff there. Hope you enjoy this. My slime, play tuned.